I will be making a super healthy and delicious meze today. Fresh broad beans with olive oil. It's very popular in the Mediterranean. You can find the ingredient list in the description below. I have a tip for you before boiling the beans. If you score each bean like this, it will be much easier to remove the peel afterwards. Let's score all of them like this and boil them for 6 to 7 minutes. Then, if you pinch one like this, the fleshy part will just pop out easily. This makes the whole process much easier. Let's pour a tablespoon of tahini into a mixing bowl. Let's add 50 ml of water to it and mix it. I am now adding half of a lemon's juice and mixing it again. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses to it. After adding a teaspoon of salt and teaspoon of cumin, let's keep mixing it. I am now adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil to this mixture. If you like olive oil, you can add more, it's up to you. I have boiled 1.5 kilos of broad beans. I have removed their peels using the method I have displayed before. Now I am adding them to the bowl. Let's now add finely chopped 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 stems of spring onion, 2 stems of parsley, and 3 stems of dill to this mixture. Let's stir everything before transferring it to a serving plate. Our beautiful dish is ready. We hope you enjoy this recipe.